today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in TD markets. Welcome to my channel where we make money online. We do crypto, we invest in stocks and help small businesses to start, grow, and stay compliant. My name is Lindy Sherris. Before we begin, if you are new to TD markets and do not have an account yet, make sure you watch this video where I'll show you how to create your account and also get verified. Now, let's get started. The first thing, you log into your account, and I am using my email address, and then I'm signing in. This dashboard will show, so if you need to enable two-factor authentication, you can do that. I'll do mine later. Then on your left-hand side, you will click dashboard. Click dashboard every time you are lost and you do not know what to do. So when you look on your right-hand side, you will see wallets. That's where the money is kept. So I am going to click there, and then under ZA, you'll see that there's trade, there's deposit, there's withdrawal. But let me show you the second way to get your wallet. You click dashboard and then you click wallet on the left-hand side. So check on your left-hand side, you will see that there is a ZA coin and other cryptocurrencies. So we are depositing money and we have to use South African rand. So select ZA coin and click deposit, select the deposit method, and they will give you banking details where you will need to send the money to. So copy everything the way it is, the account number, the branch, and also make sure that the reference is the one that is specified in your phone or your laptop. Don't use mine, otherwise the money will come to me. Very important. The reference must be the one that you are seeing. And then after send an email, add that while you are sending money to them to send the proof of payment. So for me, I made a mistake. I didn't do that. I had to send an email manually, the proof of payment to this email address that was found on this site. If you would like to open your own TD Markets account, you can find my referral link in this video description. If you are watching from TikTok or Instagram, you can find the link in my link tree. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future videos where we learn how to make money and also do crypto. I'll see you in the next video.